I'm not happy today. Well, I mean, I'm happy. I own a Challenger Super Stock, but if I told you what I did to it, yeah, you know, that first ding or dent or scratch or chip always gets you. And a parking bump got me right there. A piece of rebar up through the cement parking bump. Stop. You know what I'm talking about. I was like, oh, I can clear that piece of cement. Yeah, but not the piece of rebar that came up through it that wasn't cut off. The right side, or the left, was cut off. The other side wasn't, and I bit it. Oh well, time to order a new air dam. Or I can always put that yellow strip thing they have that they say to take off at the dealership. I've got that, the yellow transporter cover. Well, today I'm going to take my Valentine 1 and hardwire it into my rear view mirror. There was a website I found when I Google searched how to do this that just made a pre-plug-in wire so that you don't have this mess in your way. I mean, this mess is better than getting caught by the cops, but I want it all tucked up in here. So I have to take that piece off and put the nice little piece that I bought in. If I can find what I did with it. There it is. So this will just plug in, and this will go into the radar. So all that'll be coming out from the rear view mirror is that plug, and it'll plug right in instead of having this out all over the place. Well, let's see if I can get this piece off of here. Okay, I'm going to take this Valentine 1 down. This is the Series 2. I had the Series 1 with my Trans Am and went to turn it in to upgrade it, and they just sent me a brand new one because they went to a version 2 from their version 1. They've changed the look up of it a little bit. Looks a little bit better. It's still big and bulky looking. Now, let's see if I can get this thing to come loose. They make it look so easy on the videos. Oh, I guess that wasn't bad. There's a little clip right there. So you have to put pressure right there to unseat it. And then they go around and do the other side, but I don't think you need to. It just comes right out. Pressure on either side will unclip it. Now, how do I do the bigger one? Well, certainly didn't do that on the video. I didn't break anything. This just unmounted. Ow! Son of a gun, it bit me right there. Huh. I think more force needs to be on this side to pull it down. This side comes out pretty easy. This side's the one that... Now, how am I going to put that back up? There, that's it. Teeny little tab, you push down and it wiggles. Now this is supposed to replace that. This will now go like that, And this will plug back in. And it's all keyed, so it can only go in one way. And that's it. Now, my problem is getting this whole thing back up in there. Okay, so to get it on, it's just a little quarter turn twist. Started like this and used both hands and just twisted it with pressure. Boy, it sure is hard to take off, but it sure does go together easy. And I think that did it. I think that concludes this video.